captain of the other team.
I
Meet Clarice, daughter of Ares, god of war.
am. Get a problem with that pretty cold variety.
You want to know what's out to fight for? Got strategy, they got war. They got water, or they got death. Before you take your final breath, God is messing with some taking notes. You're gonna cry, you ain't gonna fold. You're gonna lose like this to love. It's gonna be a bloody, bloody show. I'll put you in, I'll put you in. I'll put you in your place. I'll put you in, I'll put you in. I'll put you in your place.
You have to be hurt?
Don't worry, Athena always has a plan. Every Demi has a special skill. Bring the strength of wind. But she's just gonna take a special spill. Right to the bottom of the biggest hill. I'll put you in. I'll put you in. I'll put you in. I'll put you in your place. Alright, team, let's talk strategy. Hermes eaters are fast, so lose.
Actually, that's a stereotype. But we got it.
Satyrs are creatures of the hand. Got it. I don't know what to do.
Yep, I'm the tree. What about me? I don't know my count yet.
I have a special help for you. Go to the boys' bathroom.
And?
Stay there. It's your first day. We don't want you messing this up.